Top 15 Artificial Intelligence Books for Beginners. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach, 3rd edition. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach is widely regarded as the best book on artificial intelligence meant for beginners. Russell and Norvig have adopted an easy-to-follow learner's approach to the textbook. It is a straightforward overview of AI, a good resource material for undergraduate students. Get the book and easily follow the concepts behind key areas like search algorithms, natural language processing, and game theory. Artificial Intelligence Basics, a non-technical introduction. You don't need to have all the technical know-how to grasp the concepts explained in this book. As a resource targeted at beginners, Artificial Intelligence Basics presents a simple overview of aspects of AI like deep learning, machine learning, and robotics among others. Use the text to understand how to research and technological advancement in AI has penetrated every aspect of modern-day living. Machine Learning for Dummies. An absolute read for anyone looking to grasp machine learning, a concept that many find mind-boggling, to say the least. The authors have gone into the very basics of machine learning, a component of AI that makes it possible for concepts like fraud detection, credit scoring, and automation. This entry-level text on machine learning provides for a quick and straightforward appreciation of AI, computer programming, and big data. Neural Networks, a visual introduction for beginners. As the author Michael Taylor says, this AI book is for beginners. It seeks to lay forth an easy and visual understanding of neural networks. The book provides an overview of what constitutes machine learning before taking the reader on a simple journey about neural networks. Read this engaging book to understand neural networks and how it connects to machine learning and deep learning. Artificial Intelligence, Foundations of Computational Agents, 2nd edition. This artificial intelligence book by 2 award-winning professors of computer science presents AI in a basic, coherent, and easy-to-grasp textbook structure. Poole and McWith bring out the concepts of intelligent computational agents and machine learning. Artificial Intelligence, an essential beginner's guide to AI, machine learning, robotics, the Internet of Things, neural networks, deep learning, reinforcement learning, and our future. This artificial intelligence book by 2 award-winning professors of computer science presents AI in a basic, coherent, and easy-to-grasp textbook structure. Poole and McWith bring out the concepts of intelligent computational agents and machine learning. Artificial Intelligence by Example. The book to learn artificial intelligence is what the summary of this book can be. The author of this book on AI targets those just setting out to understand the concepts behind artificial intelligence. The book highlights simple real-life examples and scenarios in the application of AI, with added material to simplify how to apply artificial intelligence in emerging technologies like the Internet of Things, IoT, and blockchain. Artificial Intelligence for Humans. Jeff Heaton's Artificial Intelligence for Humans is a book meant for beginners whose lack of advanced maths or programming makes AI a very complex topic. The book offers a basic overview of AI algorithms, with readers able to follow an easy layout that allows them to undertake complex tasks. Machine Learning for Absolute Beginners, a plain English introduction. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in plain English is nothing but a great way to introduce a complex topic to beginners. Theobald uses simple everyday English to explain the key concepts in AI and ML, ensuring that technical jargon and doesn't get in the way of a reader's grasp of basic aspects of machine learning. The Quest for Artificial Intelligence, A History of Ideas and Achievements. Are you fascinated by how and when AI began? This book is for you. As a beginner, You'll find Professor Nielsen's book deeply engaging in AI and machine learning. The Quest for Artificial Intelligence outlines the history of AI in a simple yet resourceful style. Use the book to trace AI from those early days to what has become today's revolution. Learn how the systems work via diagrams and see how AI has made it into modern-day technology like face recognition, speech recognition, and robotics. Python, Beginner's Guide to Artificial Intelligence. As the title suggests, this is a book that will guide any beginner as they seek to understand and master AI. Use the material to go beyond simple introductions to gaining a real-world understanding of the topic. Lecturers use this book to explore Python and fields such as deep learning. A first course in artificial intelligence. There are numerous AI books for beginners, and this one by Deepak Khemani rightly ranks as one of the top 15 available in the market. The author has tried to ease learners into the topic by adopting a bottom-up approach. As the topic of artificial intelligence can be complex to many, the dummy approach means you first encounter the most basic concept and progress as you grasp key ideas. Machine Learning, the New AI. If you are an absolute dummy, then this could be the book to enlighten you as you journey deep into AI. While most of the available resource materials offer a glimpse into the world of artificial intelligence, few want to ensure you remain human as you explore the field. The 100-page Machine Learning Book. If you are starting out with AI and especially machine learning, then Andrew Berkoff's The 100-Page Machine Learning Book could be what you need. Highly regarded among the books on ML, Berkoff's introductory material takes you through the basics of machine learning as you launch into what makes the topic so crucial in modern technology. Artificial Intelligence, the Basics. This is one of the best artificial intelligence books for beginners. Warwick's book introduces learners to AI with the most basic overview, taking them on a step-by-step appreciation of various aspects of the topic. Use this book to learn the history behind AI, how it is being developed and used in today's world, as well as where the trend is headed to with a massive leap in advancements.